Let's take a look at evaluating composite functions on a TI-82 calculator. Okay, let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to x squared minus 3. We got g of x is equal to x minus 2. And we want to find composition of f and g, and then we're going to plug 1/2 in for the x. Okay, first some notation changes. This notation here, composition of f and g, we can rewrite as f of g. And then, now this is the same as f of g of x, if I were to put all the notation in. But we're specifically plugging in 1/2 for the x. So that looks like this, f of g of 1/2. Okay, keep that in mind. And let's go to our calculator. So I'm going to go to my y equals, clear, and I'm going to put f of x on y1. So I got x squared minus 3, and press enter. Now on y2, I'm going to put g of x, which is x minus 2, and press enter. Okay, let's keep in mind what I've just done. This is y1, and this one is y2. So if I change this notation, we put f of x in y1. So the f we can replace with y1. And then beginning parentheses, then we want g. Well, g we put into y2. So I got y2, and then I'll put a beginning parentheses and then do 1/2. So that's how we're going to plug it in. Now I'm going to exit out, do second mode, and we need y1. That's under our y vars. So I do second vars to go into y vars. Press 1 for function, press 1 for y1. Put a beginning parentheses, and now we need y2. So I do second vars, choose 1 for function, and I choose 2 for y2. Now put a beginning parentheses, 1 divided by 2, closing parentheses for the y2, closing parentheses for the y1, and then press enter. Now we get negative 0.75, but we know how to handle decimals. We'll do math, enter, enter. And our answer is negative 3/4. Now if we did this by hand, first if I found the composition of f and g, that's f of g. So we go through and replace our x in f of x with a set of parentheses. So I got parentheses squared minus 3. Now whatever is inside the parentheses right here is automatically put in right here, which is g. But g is equal to x minus 2. So then this becomes x minus 2 squared minus 3. Now we don't need to simplify that, because now if I was doing it by hand, I would take that and I'd plug 1/2 in for my x. So we'd have 1/2 minus 2 squared minus 3. This is a mixed number. I take negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, plus 1 is negative 3. So that gives us negative 3 halves squared minus 3, which square the top and square the bottom. Negative 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, minus 3. And again, this is a mixed number. So take negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, plus 9 is negative 3, and our denominator stays as is. So you see we get the same value, but a lot less work using the calculator to do that. And that's evaluating composite functions on a TI-82 calculator.